Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Quick and easy. That's the name of the game today. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for showing up to support me and my channel. Quick and easy. Those are the two words for today, and it's going to be just that. I'm going to share with you a really cute way to make a card in mere minutes. Now, I made this one for Valentine's Day, but this process is going to be for any season, any reason, anyone. So I'm going to switch to my overhead camera because y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, y'all, so here's a closer look at that sweet little card that I made, and we're going to make one similar today. This card, when finished, measures 5 by 5, and it is just a basic little card. But it's so easy to do that you can make these for any season, any reason, anyone, and you can make them for pennies. So, quick and easy. Here we go. So I have a piece of white cardstock that I have cut at 5 by 10, and then I have some scrap pieces that I'm going to be using to do the decorative part of the card. You can probably see on this one where I misscored. I don't throw these pages away because I can use them as practice papers, or I can use them in the way that I'm about to use this one today. So we're going to take our 10 by 5-inch card base, and we're going to score at 5 inches. And then I'll just give that a nice little burnish. Then I'm going to bring in this piece because I want it to be my background piece. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut this at 4 3/4 by 4 3/4. Then I'm going to take another piece of scrap white, and we are going to cut that at 4 3/4 by 2 1/2. Then I'm going to bring in my scrap pink. We're going to cut us a piece at 4 1/2 by 2 1/4. Then I'll bring in the rest of that white scrap, and we're going to cut another piece of white scrap at 4 1/4 by 2. And so now that we have our pieces, we're going to go ahead and put them together. I am going to put mine together with glue. So I'm going to take the smallest piece of white that measures 2 by 4 1/4, and I'm going to layer it on the pink. Then I'll take the pink, add my glue. You can use tape on this if you want. And we're going to place it down on the final white piece. And now we're going to take this and we're going to put it on the card. Y'all, seriously, it could not be any simpler than what we're doing here. So let's just go ahead and take this and put it on our card. And now we'll take this piece. I'm going to add my glue. And then we put this piece down on our card base. Like that. And that is how quick and easy it is to make this type of card. So then I have this little paper doll, and all I'm going to do is just add a few pop dots because I want her elevated. And y'all, when I was going through my stash recently and cleaning up, I found this pack that I bought in 2017. And it had never been opened. So I pulled it out and I decided I would start using it. And this is one of the things that was in it. Then I came across some of my Valentine stickers that I got from Hobby Lobby a while back. They were $6.99 then. They were on sale for 50% off at that time. So all I'm going to do is go in, find me a sticker. I think I'm going to stick with that love sticker because I really like it. I'm going to take this sticker and we're going to put it right there because y'all, that is a quick and easy way to make a card. Then at the back, we have some little Valentines. So I'm just going to peel a few and just sort of place them on my card like this. Just adding a little bit of pop to all of this. I think that that is just so cute and it was so easy to do. Now I'm going to go on the inside and I'm going to find me a sweet little sentiment. And I think I'm going to go with this one. I like it. And I'm going to take that and put it right there. Now I used a heavyweight white cardstock, so I really don't have to add anything to the inside. You can layer the inside if you want. And y'all, that was so quick and easy to make that you can make up bunches of these for any season, any reason, anyone. Since it was so quick and easy, let's go ahead and make that envelope. So I have a piece of 12 by 12 and I am going to go ahead and cut it down to 7.5 by 12. Then on the 7.5 inch side, I am going to score at 1. Rotate it to the opposite 7.5 and score at 1. Turn it to the 12, score at 5, and 10 and 1/8. And so now I am just going to fold and burnish all of my scores. This too will be very quick and easy. So what we're going to do is we're going to make an angle cut on that score mark going in. At this score mark, make another angle cut going in because you want the tab. Then we'll do the same thing here and here. Then we're going to remove these corner pieces by angling in as we're cutting in a downward motion. Same thing here, just angle in, turn it this way, remove, and remove. And I am going to go ahead and just use my scissors to round these ends. You don't have to round. And y'all, this card is mailable within the USPS, but please check with them on postage because I think when you mail something that's square, and this is 5 by 5, or the envelope will be 5.5 by 5.5, I think the pricing might be just a little bit different, but I don't work at the post office, so you guys give that a check. So I'm going to place my glue here and my glue here. Fold that up. And yep, part of my hearts will be upside down because I used a directional print. But y'all, I'm okay with that. So if we are going to mail this, let's just go ahead and add some tape across the top here. And now we have an envelope that will fit this card. And again, please check with the post office to see if there's any additional postage. But you can just add a label here and a label here, and you're good to go. But y'all, that was so easy that I could sit here and make these cards all day long because I'm loving the paper dolls now that I found them and I've become reacquainted with them in my stash. Didn't even know I was missing them until I found them by accident. But for those of you who might be like me and you really don't consider yourself to be a card maker on the scale that a lot of other card makers are, this might be a great way to help you get your feet wet and jump in there and start making some cards. So I hope that you have liked this video, and if you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing. I'd love to have you. As always, my friends, y'all please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.